Lahore-based rock band Jal released their latest album Pyas in Delhi and laid to rest rumours about the sudden cancellation of their show in Mumbai, saying as artists they were ambassadors of peace.
Well, Jal is here to quench your thirst after 6 years and an album appropriately titled Pyas.
Yeah, it was a long gap and it was the right name for the album because all the fans from India, they've been waiting for the new album. And there's one of the fans who wrote that कब आएगी album हमें बहुत प्यास लगी हुई है. So we thought that let's make this name of our album and it's working out for us.
I mean, we share close cultural ties, the countries. Do you think somewhere the politics comes in between and hampers the cultural exchange, and you as an artist usually bear the brunt of it?
Well, I have not been affected by any of the of this thing because we always been there and we act as a ambassador of peace. And I think if even there is something going on between Pakistan and India politically, then we want to make sure that we should not be the part of it. Whatever are the tensions are there, they can take care of that. But I mean, music art no language, right? I mean, we are here. We got a lot of Indian fans. Just want to make sure that this won't affect them. And we have been getting a very good response from during the last 8 years. I think being a musician and a singer, we'll just stay positive and be optimistic about every situation.
I know, sir, last year there was a problem at the Pune festival. Something happened in Bombay. Would you like to clear the air?
Actually, we did not get any sort of trouble.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been more than 8 years. We haven't been actually encountered any of the trouble. Now it's about time to actually collaborate with somebody from India, and we're looking forward for this. And I'm sure that when this Pakistan-India thing will work out, we can share this culture exchange between two countries as well.
Would you like to sing a few notes for our viewers?
ना मैं जानूं ना तू जाने कैसा है ये आलम कोई ना जाने फिर क्यों है ये तन्हाई कैसी है ये रुसवाई गुम हो गए क्यों खो गए हम